Hello, and welcome to the BMC Quick Course Series. My name is Wayne Wilson, and I'm a software consultant for the MainView family of products. In this demo, I'll show you how to use the RMF-Compatibility Mode in MainView for z/OS. This is helpful if you are new to MainView for z/OS. As you may recall from the MainView for z/OS Overview Quick Course, CMF Monitor is the engine that drives data collection for MainView for z/OS. Because of this synergy, many customers who purchase MainView for z/OS from BMC Software also purchase CMF Monitor. Subsequently, a frequent request from customers who have recently converted to MainView for z/OS and CMF is for assistance in making the transition from RMF online displays to those provided by MainView for z/OS and CMF. This quick course is intended to provide that guidance. As in previous demonstrations, start with the EasyMZOS menu, then hyperlink on RMF-like menus in the right-hand column under Utilities. The Easy CMF view provides access to RMF-like views within MainView for z/OS. Users of RMF know that RMF actually consists of two different products, RMF Monitor 2 and RMF Monitor 3. And they each have completely different user interfaces. So while MainView for z/OS provides the same data as that of RMF2 and RMF3 from a single total set of views, for ease of transition we have provided separate menus to each set of functions. Let's begin by hyperlinking on the Monitor 2 menu. This is the EasyMon2 menu. The important thing to note here is that EasyMon2 provides a cross-reference between the Mon2 reports and comparable MainView for z/OS views. In most cases, we have created views that even use the same name as the Mon2 reports. The one exception is the IEA OptXX settings, in which we call it SRM opt instead of just opt. Now let's hyperlink on the ARD report, and let's see what it looks like in MainView for z/OS. As you can see, the MainView for z/OS ARD view provides the same data as Mon2's ARD. However, you will note a big difference. RMF Mon2 displays are pretty static, with no ability to do anything other than to observe the data. Then press Enter to scroll through until you return to the command prompt. On the other hand, with MainView for z/OS, you can take advantage of all of the features and benefits of MainView architecture, such as hyperlinks to other views, customized thresholds, built-in historical data, and the ability to sort or filter the data, as well as the extensive online help. Of course, these MainView features are available for all RMF Mon2-like views, regardless of which one it is. So I'm not going to show you every single one. You can explore that on your own. Instead, press F3 twice to return to the RMF-like menus view. From here, let's hyperlink on the Monitor 3 menu. Similar to EasyMon2, the EasyMon3 view provides a cross-reference to the MainView for z/OS views that are comparable to those in Monitor 3. However, you may note that for the most part the comparable views do not use the same naming conventions as the Monitor 3 reports. This is because MainView for z/OS already had views that were designed to perform the comparable function as those in Monitor 3. So instead of building new views, BMC simply decided to guide you to the relative MainView for z/OS views. Also, there are several options in the RMF report column that are prefixed with the right arrow. As you may recall, this indicates that the hyperlink will navigate you to another menu from which you have several additional selection options. For example, hyperlink on the Jobs option, which will navigate to the EasyMJobs menu. This is the EasyMJobs Easy menu. EasyMJobs provides a link to many views that provide access to job and address space related information. MainView for z/OS utilizes the advantage of the MainView architecture to provide faster navigation and better visibility to the necessary data. Now, for one last RMF compatibility topic, type quit on the command line to return to the ISPF MainView menu. On rare occasions, MainView may not be active, but users still have the need to quickly gather performance data in a method similar to those used by RMF2. MainView for z/OS and CMF Monitor provide a feature called CMF Mon that can fulfill this need. While this feature is covered in more detail in the CMF Monitor quick course, let's select option 6 and let's briefly explore CMF Mon. This is the CMF Mon primary option menu. While we got here from within the MainView menu hierarchy properly implemented, this CMF Mon function can be accessed from anywhere in TSO by simply typing TSO CMF Mon, %CMF Mon, or simply CMF Mon from any TSO command line. None of the normal MainView starter tasks need be active. You can collect and display performance data completely out of your TSO address space. As you can see, CMF Mon provides another way of accessing the familiar RMF2 monitor report options such as ARD, ASD, etc. However, like a fully implemented MainView, CMF Mon provides additional navigational and accessibility features to improve on the native RMF displays. Select option A1 and let's take a look. This is CMF Mon's version of the RMF ARD display. It provides the same data, but note the format of the display. Unlike RMF, you can press Enter to refresh the data, scroll up and down through the data, use a sort command to change the order in which the data is displayed, or use the red underlined entry fields in the column headers to apply filter criteria to the data. Also, you can put your cursor on any line of data and press Enter. CMF Mon will then display a delta mode of changing resource usage. Let's see what this looks like. Having selected the BBSysP address space, I have now been pressing Enter once a second to update the display. As you can see, each line of data shows the changing resource usage between updates. The CPU time field shows the increasing accumulated CPU, and the EXCP rate field shows the changing I/O rate. Similarly, all other fields show the changes as the data is updated. By the way, if you get tired of pounding on the Enter key, you can also use the ASU command to automatically update the display on any number of seconds that you specify. So now you should be familiar with some of the RMF compatibility features that BMC has built into MainView for z/OS. We have covered several options for using RMF-like features, and while we prefer that you ultimately use MainView for z/OS the way that it was designed, we hope that these options will help to ease the transition from RMF and other z/OS performance monitoring tools. For more information about MainView for z/OS, see the Related Demos box. For more information about any BMC mainframe product, please visit the URL shown here. Thank you for your time.